Hello, Algebra 2. So this is your agenda for Tuesday, 9/29. Today we're going to do a Quizizz activity. There's classwork points that will be entered into Aries for this activity. So see the next slide for info on how to claim your points. If you're having any difficulty with last week's or this week's assignments, notes, or the lecture recordings, please email us for help or ask in the chat. We will make sure that you get caught up or understand your math better. Just please reach out to us. Okay, there's no formal homework for tonight. Just make sure you're caught up on the notes and the assignments, but this activity should be done by the time today is over. Okay. So this is your current work that should be uploaded into your digital workbook. Please catch up on any missing notes and homework. You can go to Google Classroom and look under week number 6 and week number 7 to find these assignments. And it's really important from here on out that you keep up with your mathematics on a daily basis. So every single day, whether we meet or we don't meet, you should be checking in and doing the lecture notes and the homework for this math class. So this is a college level Algebra 2 math class, and daily participation is the key to making it work, okay? So all of this we've already done. Whoops. So you should be caught up with all of that work and uploaded into the digital workbook. So please make sure all of this is done. Okay, thank you. Okay, so for today's assignment, so you're going to go to Google Classroom, open up the number 030 Quizizz assignment on solving absolute value inequalities. You should have a piece of paper, scratch paper handy, because you're going to need it for some of the questions. And before you close out the Quizizz activity, take a screenshot of your score page that shows your name and your final score on the Quizizz activity. You can use your Chromebook or your cell phone to take a screenshot. So then how do you get the points for today's activity? So how do you get the points for today's activity? My pen doesn't want to work. I'll try it one more time. There we go. So take a screenshot, make sure that your name and your final score on the Quizizz shows in the screenshot. And to get the points, then you need to email both Ms. Fairbanks and Ms. Artofer. And you can do that on one email. You just put both of our names on one email. You don't have to make two emails. Okay, you can put multiple names inside one email. If you need to, you can go back and look at the warm-up because it showed two names on there. So just type two names into the email and email us that screenshot of your Quizizz. Make sure, though, it shows your name and your final score on the Quizizz, okay? Don't forget, you have to put your period in the subject line, and you can put the word Quizizz in the subject line. Otherwise, we're going to return that. Remember, we went over that in today's warm-up. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email us. And now, how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook is on the next slide. So these are common keyboard shortcuts for the Chromebook. So right here is how you take a screenshot. So the control is down on the lower left, and this button is up in the top row, kind of in the middle. Okay? So if you need to take a screenshot with the Chromebook, that's how you do it. If you have trouble with the email and your screenshot, just send us a quick email and we'll help you, okay? All right, so the points for the Quizizz activity requires you to send us that email. Don't forget to put your period in the subject line, period 3 or period 4, okay, you guys? All right, thanks, and good luck on the activity.